It's been about 6 days since the girls have moved into their hen house, and I'm going to do the first move today. But they did require a little bit of encouragement to come down into the run. Once I kind of forced them down the ladder and in there, they really love it. Those I've sometimes coming out in the morning and do their feed and water. I catch them sleeping all together down below or upstairs, so they're really enjoying it. But today's gonna be the first move. Been really busy working around the homestead this week. Did a lot of the garden work, so I'll show you that in a bit. But let's see how they tolerate their first move. I might wait until they naturally go back in the hen house, and then I'll just close the door and scoot it along a little bit so I can give them some more compost. So I didn't film all the garden work that I did because it was just so much, but I'm using the square foot technique. You can kind of see all my strings marked out, and I got a lot of my cold hardy stuff in. Got onions in, brassicas like broccoli. I got in some lettuce seeds, some beets, bok choy, which is in the brassica family, and some herbs and some strawberries, and then some other stuff by seed. But this is my chef's garden, so this is a rotational planting garden. So you're gonna see that if I can optimize and have the biggest harvest I've ever had utilizing this square foot technique. So the girls are all inside. I'm gonna take that opportunity to move them a little bit. It's real nicely set up. Just let the door down. They ain't gonna come out. Well, that wasn't bad. It took about a minute. Let's let them out. I got some compost for good behavior. So one of the many reasons why we got these chickens was I don't like to use pesticides. I don't want them anywhere around my house. We're trying to start a family. I don't want that anywhere in the air, on the ground, nothing. Especially if you eat all the vegetables but I just moved and you can see they're already starting to forage. So we got ants all around here. So I'm gonna let them forage on this clean grass for a little while before I give them their compost. But they seem happy. 30 seconds after I opened the door, they all came down. So it's working. So you can see this is where the coop was. And it's a few buckets full of compost, but they ate most of it down. So what I'm gonna do, you can see the grass is kind of barren around here. It doesn't come in too well. So I'm just gonna kind of rake this out, thin it out, and let it fertilize the yard, and hopefully I get some better grass. So I want to start free ranging them a little bit, but I was a little nervous. So we put this fence up, get some pine cones, put some compost in there. I'm just happy as can be. I haven't refilled that, just letting that go empty. Maybe I'll feed them tonight, but I'll just keep eating the compost. So I'm starting to get some character out of them. Right here. They just love that compost.